Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to install NHM Writer which is not compatible in Windows 10. So we are going to download first. To download the NHM Writer, go to this link. This is the official link where you can download the writer tool which is used to type Indian languages. I'm using this tool to type my native language Tamil. So I already download this into my system. Sorry. So I'm going to install this first. So the first step is you should not install this directly. First you select this and right click and go to troubleshoot compatibility. This is very important while you install this in Windows 10 OS. So this is very important. If you do not do this, your tool will not be working. So this is the important thing to work this tool in Windows 10. Please remember troubleshoot compatibility. Click this troubleshoot compatibility. This will check the detecting issues and resolving issues. Click this try recommended settings and then next click this test the program. It install the tool in your system. Accept the agreement. Next, and here you can select our Indian languages. I select Tamil because that is my language. Next, install. Finish. Next, and yes, save this settings for this program. So this will save the settings. Close. Incompatible program issue fixed. Close this window. Now if you try to type anything, now you have to click this. This is the tool. It will automatically open. It is automatically open. If you don't see this tool, you can type here NHM Writer. Why this is not showing? Click here. Yeah, NHM Writer. Click this to open. So now you can see that here. Click this. You can select any of the option. I select this Tamil Bhamini Unicode and I'm going to type here Alt 4 okay. It is typing. You are seeing that. Likewise, you can install this NHM Writer in Windows 10. Thank you.